So when we design a home, the entire space is one project. So there's always a common element which is similar in the entire home, like a theme. And if it's not there, something feels off, like something is incomplete. We call this design flow, which can be achieved using these three simple steps. Flooring is a very good way to achieve similarity and connect spaces. It is the largest chunk in design and can be that common aspect that will bind the other elements in space. Keep a repeating pattern or the same material flooring to bring the design flow into space. This works great in large spaces where you have multiple elements in place. Ceiling. A repetitive pattern in ceiling that creates a rhythmic flow and gives direction to a space is one way of bringing in the design flow. And walls. The simplest way to make the space look cohesive throughout the house is using a consistent wall paint color. You don't need to choose the same color for the entire house, but shades and tints of one color scheme can be a great solution.